Welcome to our channel. Today we how to configure QlikView for business intelligence, quick tutorial step by step clearly. Open your QlikView application. On the welcome screen, select New Document to create a blank workspace. In the document properties, navigate to the General tab. Here, you can set the title and description for your document. Next, go to the Script tab to start scripting your data import. Click on the Edit Script button to open the script editor. In the script editor, use the Table Files option to connect to your data sources. Select the desired data source type, such as Excel or SQL database. Browse your computer or server to find and select the appropriate file. Once selected, click Open to add it to your script. You will see an automatic load statement generated for the chosen file. You can customize the script to filter or transform your data as needed. After setting up your data loads, click on Reload to fetch the data into QlikView. Once the reload completes, switch to the Sheet view in the QlikView interface. Now, you can start creating visualizations. Use the toolbar to drag and drop charts and tables onto the sheet. Select your data fields from the data panel to populate these visualizations. Customize each visualization by right-clicking to access properties and options. Adjust colors, labels, and titles to enhance the readability of your visualizations. To create a dashboard, arrange your visualizations logically on the sheet. You can add more sheets if needed for different data views or segments. Finally, save your document by clicking on the File menu and selecting Save As. Name your document appropriately and specify a save location. Your QlikView setup for business intelligence is now complete. Explore and analyze your data using the tools available within QlikView. Stay tuned for tips on optimizing your reports and dashboards in future tutorials. If the page does not load, refresh the browser or try again in a private or incognito window. Make sure you are using the correct email address, then retype it carefully to avoid small typos. If your password is not accepted, use the Reset option and create a new strong password you can remember. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe to our channel for more step-by-step tech guides.